Now in this session I will explain question number 4 and 5 of exercise 10.1. Now let me read out question number 4 for all of you. So what is the length of a wooden stripe required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 centimeter and 21 centimeter respectively? Suppose the size of a photograph is like this. The photograph is in the shape of rectangle. So the length is given 32 centimeter and breadth is given 21 centimeter. Now what you will do is that suppose this is a photograph. This is one photo and you have to put a wooden stripe all over the photo. So what you have to find it out? So what is the length of the photos wooden stripe would be? So it is equivalent to the perimeter of a photo, isn't it? So what we have to write, that length of wooden stripe would be equals to perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Now what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle, students? 2 into length plus breadth. Now just write the value of length. What is the value of length given? 32 plus breadth is given 21 and write the unit outside the bracket. Now we have to solve the bracket first. 32 plus 21 will give you 53 centimeter, and when you will multiply, the product would be 106 centimeter. Okay, so the length of the wooden stripe would be equals to 106 centimeter. Okay students, now let's move on to sum number 5. Yes, question number 5 is a rectangular piece of land measures 0.5 kilometer by 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. So this is a rectangular land. Okay, this is a rectangular land, suppose. Okay, the length is given 0.7 kilometer and breadth is given 0.5 kilometer. Huge land. Okay, now you have to fence this particular land, okay, with how many rows? With 4 rows. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is 4 rounds you have to give. Fine. So one row of wires is equals to the perimeter of a land. Okay, but the first thing that we'll do is we'll convert the kilometer form to a meter form. So the first thing what we'll do, length is given is what? 0.7 kilometer. Now if you have to convert this unit to meter form, what we have to do? We have to multiply 0.7 with 1000, as we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So when we multiply it, the answer will come 700 meter. The same thing we'll do with breadth also. We'll convert the kilometer form to meter form. That is 0.5 kilometer is there. So 0.5 into 1000, that would be equals to 500 meter. Fine. Now each row, that is how many rows we have to calculate? 4 rows of wire. So one row of wire would be equals to perimeter of a land. So perimeter of land. And what is the formula of perimeter of land? As because land is in the shape of rectangle, so we'll write the formula of perimeter of rectangle. So 2 into length plus breadth. So what is the measurement of length given, students? 700, and breadth is given 500. Absolutely right, and we'll write the unit outside the bracket. Now first solve this. That is 2 into 1200, isn't it? 1200 meter, and once what is the product then? 2400 meter. But this is only the measurement of one row of the wire. But how many rows we have to make? We have to take 4 rows. So what we have to write? Therefore length of wire needed, okay, needed in 4 rounds of the land, because we have to take 4 rounds, isn't it? For 1 row, 1 round. For 2 rows, another round. For 3 rows, another round. In this way, how many rounds we have to make? 4 rounds of the land that would be equals to 4 into 2400 meter. So what is the final product? The final product is 9600 meter, and if you want to convert it into kilometer form, so we have to divide this value with 1000. Fine. So you will get the answer as 9.6 kilometer. Fine. So the total measurement of the wire would be 9.6 kilometer. I hope you have understood, all of you. See, this sum is very easy and very important. So mark it with star. This is very important, some students. So in this session, I have explained question number 4 and 5. Okay. Thank you so much. In my next session, I will explain next two sums, that is question number 6 and question number 7. Till then, take care all of you. Stay blessed and God bless you all.